Hey guys, welcome back to the Whimsical Workshop. We are on month 3 of our Cotton Cuts mystery quilt. So let's get started.
Yay!
Alright, so I have gone through 2 months already. You have seen these. These are so far have been super fun for me. Let me grab the past 2 months. I do recommend if you do any of these mystery quilts or block of the months that you do get yourself a really good little container to keep it all together, because some of the paperwork goes from month to month with these. Your swatch page can go from month to month, and it's nice to keep it all together so when we do finish all our blocks, I have them together to sew into my quilt top. This is a little $5 scrapbook box that I got at Michael's, and when I do my studio tour, you'll see what I do with all of these. That's coming soon. All right, so the past 2 months are done. And the part of this that is so awesome is that it is all pre-cut. And so far, so good. Everything has gone together beautifully. This is the colorway I am doing. I am in Abel Skeever's group. Each group, each colorway, they give it a cute name. They have a Facebook support group. They have email. They have everything you need to contact them. But the Facebook groups, everybody identifies themselves by their color group. And what I mean by color group is their mystery quilts. You can pick at the beginning which colorway you want, and I think there was like 12 or 14 colorways. There was quite a few, and you can pick the one you want. They also offer it in 2 sizes, the 48 by 60, and I wrote it down this time for you guys, a 72 by 72. So you can do the small mystery quilt or you can do the large. I am doing the large. The small mystery quilt is $18.75 a month, and that includes your shipping, so that is your total price. And the large is $28.50 a month, and that also includes your shipping. So they're reasonable. They're 10-month projects, and you're going to end up with a really pretty quilt at the end. It's all pre-cut, so you don't have to do it, and so far I've had a blast. All right, so the last 2 months I've got them all done, and I just put them right back in their bags with their clue. When I finished them, I stayed as organized as I could, because again, it's a mystery quilt, and I'm not sure how they're going to ask me to put it together at the end. I still have my oops bag that I have not used, thank goodness. We're going to put those away, and then each month we refer back to this color brochure that came in our first package with all the rules and all the directions, and it even gives me the dates of what day to expect the clue. So this is the 3rd clue I got at the beginning of April. I know I'm a little behind on my videos, but we're getting caught up here. All right, so let's see what we've got for this month. Like, how do you get into this thing? I've done it 2 other times, but this one is really stuck. There we go. Let's get it started. And, oh, there we go. We're getting into some brighter colors now. So they all come packaged like this in this little baggie, so none of the pieces are flying. They're all laid out nicely. And then you can just break into it. And I'm careful to slide it out. So here are this month's pieces. And then each month they give us one of these club cards. And on the back it's, oh no, this is an ad, sorry. The last 2 months they've sent us like this little Cotton Cuts block of the month. You can color this in and you can post it by the date below. And if they pull your name, you win a prize. I've gotten one the last 2 months. That's why I thought this was it. But this is actually a Java Batiks Lovers Club membership. They're talking about how you can join the club. Obviously, I'm using batiks, so they're like, ooh, target market. But it's an ad, so I don't need to keep that. All right, each month you do get your clue on a sheet of paper. At first I was a little turned off that it was black and white, but then I realized it's got 14 colorways, so what colorway do you color the illustrations? So I can understand why they are. They tell you what month it is, 3 of 10. They tell you what size you're doing. I'm doing the large. This is the So Sweet Puzzle Mystery Quilt. Each one has a different name. And then these are all my directions. And they do tell you somewhere. Yeah, they changed things up on me. Oh, here we go. Pieces in the pack. Oops. So they do tell me, ugh, my thumbs just don't work. The pieces that I should have here, and I usually will go through and count out my pieces, make sure I have them, and then I just go ahead and sew my blocks. And the directions have been very, very good. I can follow them pretty easily. They use, you know, small triangle, medium triangle, large triangle. They show you which way to press it, which is nice. They tell you how many to make. So I'm going to go ahead. I will get my block sewn. I'll show it to you at the end so you can see this month's block. And then we can go on from there. So let me get sewing. Okay, so I have my blocks for month 3 done. I've got these guys and these guys. And what I have been doing is I have these little circle labels here, and I write, if I can find a pen, the unit numbers on them. So these guys are section 3A, making these guys 3B. And I label each section because this is going to make assembling the quilt easier. I'm going to guess at the end. Otherwise, why give us these numbers? And then what I do is I just fold these up with their little pattern, and I just slide them back in the bag, and I try to make it so you can read one of the labels. And there we go. I am done with month 3 of my cotton cut Able Skeever Spring Puzzle Mystery Quilt. I do believe if you want to get into the next one, I would definitely hop over to their website. I'll put the link below so you can get emails and notifications for when they're going to release it. I think they're going to release the collections and start pre-orders in May for the fall mystery quilt. So if you've enjoyed following me along and you want to jump in, go over and make sure you sign up for the Cotton Cuts email newsletters. I'm sure all the info will be in there. Again, this is not something I am being sponsored for. I am purchasing these as a customer and sharing the experience with you guys. So if you have enjoyed the video, make sure you leave me a comment below or let me know what your thoughts are on doing a mystery quilt with me. And as always, I want to thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell to be notified for the next video. And I'll see you next month.